Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a quick unboxing of the XVX M67 Jadestone mechanical keyboard. So you got a power cable, some switches, and a brush, it looks like. Manual, classic, typical keycap puller, and the empty box here. So let's see. Nice packaging. I got this on Amazon recently. I'll put the price on the screen here so you can see it. I think it was around $30-something. Like the topographical keycaps here. It's very similar to a lot of the other like 65 or 68% keyboards out there right now. How it sounds here. It feels really nice on just on the regular typing. Really pleasant. Has dedicated arrows, which I think is huge for the 60-ish% keyboards. Switches feel nice. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions.